What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a big bun tutorial, so let's get started. So first I'm going to be using my curl refreshing spray to put my hair up into a little bun, and I like my buns tight. I like my buns tight, so I'm going to be tightening it and putting it up in a scrunchie. And next I'm going to be using this Shining Jam extra hold to slick up my hair and make it look a little smoother. So now here you see me putting my hair into 2 twists so that I can put my hair in a tight bun. But girl, your girl was looking like a little alfalfa over here, like bruh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to look like alfalfa for a little bit. Then you're gonna put your hair in a bun. And if you guys want to know how I made this sock bun with a shirt and a sock, then I will make a separate video for that. But here I'm using some tracks that I bought from the beauty supply store. So right now I'm going to be just pinning it and wrapping it around my little bun that I made. So basically I'm just going to be wrapping it and pinning it, wrapping it and pinning it, wrapping it and pinning it so that it's secure. Now here you want to make sure you cut your hair at a length that is not too short, because you need to wrap the hair around the bun. So you want to make sure you cut it not too short but long enough for you to wrap the hair around. So that's what I'm doing right now. And right now I'm going to be trying to fit this big old sock bun on my head. Like, it was a struggle, you guys. It was a struggle, okay? It took me forever to put this bun on my head, but I got it on. So you just gotta work your hair, girl. You just gotta work it. Just work it. But anyways, guys, next I'm gonna be like cutting it even and then brushing it into the bun, into the shape, and then wrapping it around and also pinning it. So basically you just want to wrap the hair around and pin it. This is what I was talking about earlier. You got to make sure the hair is long enough for you to wrap it around and pin it, okay? Now guys, don't mind the hair in the front. I was trying to make a little cute little bang, but it wasn't working out. I didn't really like it. I'm going to show you guys in the video, but yeah, I didn't really like this bang that I made. So I just ended up putting it I just ended up wrapping the hair around my bun because I didn't really like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys will give this video a huge thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay? Bye.